Are your Roman shades looking dingy from dust or stains? We'll show you how to clean your shades the right way without damaging the fabric. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a vacuum with a hose attachment, warm water, a microfiber cloth, and mild dish soap. If your shades are looking dingy, it's usually due to surface level dust and dirt. Lift it away by gently sweeping across the fabric with the brush attachment of your vacuum while supporting the fabric from the back. Do not vacuum without the brush attachment, as it may damage the fabric. If your shade has a stain, you can try blotting it away with warm water and mild dish soap. Wet a microfiber cloth and gently blot the stain away. Use a clean microfiber cloth to completely dry the stain and prevent water rings. Use caution with delicate fabrics like silk and contact the manufacturer for specific instructions. Have more questions? Call us at 800-505-1905 to speak to a Blinds.com expert about your issue.